Hello friend, this is Sanjay here again. So as we're doing our financial modeling, so as we already done income statement. So this is a financial model. You can say that in finance, but it is a bit like relating to the accounting things like simple revenue minus cost of goods sold. You get gross profit, and then you deduct all the expenses. Then you get your operating profit. Then you deduct your interest and the tax. Then you will get net profit. But in finance we normally use these terms like EBITDA and EBIT. So today I'll let you know how to do that. This is the same like we did this here. It's the same like here as well, but actually we divide into partition all the profits, and we go by EBITDA and EBIT. I'll explain you what is that. So as you can see over here, our revenue. So you can take this revenue as a 2030, right? You can do that. And if you want to have the same color here, just go here, click format painter, and just paint here, and you will get the blue color there, right? So as we can see here is a revenue. So just equal to, click here, this is your base data, just enter. So you will get your 100,000 revenue, right? The revenue and the sale and the turnover is the same thing, right? And the cost of goods sold, you will go there, just enter, sorry, is equal to, go here, click, and then enter. You will get your cost of goods sold here. So as I already show you the formula of gross profit, go to equal, go revenue minus cost of goods sold, just enter. So you can calculate gross margin as well. Go for equal, gross profit divided by revenue. So I told you before, because we have a percentage here, so it will give you percentage. You doesn't need to go and do like 100, right? And about the expenses, you already get your gross profit. Then we go for the expenses. This, there is a salary and benefits. So equal to, go for the salary, just enter the same. Rent equal, go for the rent and just click. No, so this is a new term like EBITDA. So this means earning before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization, right? This is amortization. So I told you depreciation is like is a decrease in the asset, in the value of, for the value of the asset. As you buy a new car, then definitely after 1 year, due to wear and tear, the value of the car will decrease, right? Amortization is relating to the like fashion. There, like there is a fashion for the new clothes, and definitely after 6 months the fashion will go, the cost will go down, right? So this is same like a depreciation, you can say that, but it's decrease due to the passage of time, right? Or like a changing in the trend. So this profit is like earning before interest and tax. Here is your interest, we didn't deduct it yet. Here is your tax, still it's pending. Depreciation, amortization, still it's pending. So that means it shows like this is the income before depreciation, interest, and tax, right? So what you have to do, the same thing I told you before. So you go by the gross profit minus, you can go here, and you can go here, minus minus, and you calculate like this, right? So this is your EBITDA. So very simple. But you can do calculation in the other way as well. Like you go here, minus sign, right? Okay, so you can sum these two terms, right? And close bracket, you will get the same thing. So you can either do this by this formula, or you can do either by by other formulas, right? So that's your EBITDA. Then you go for the depreciation. how much your depreciation is 1500. So just go by 1500. And then there is a EBIT. So EBIT means earning before interest and tax, because we already uh, deducted depreciation. That's why, so we remove DA here, because this is depreciation and amortization. So this is depreciation and amortization. So whatever left, it is before interest and tax, because we have to deduct interest and tax as well. Just go here, go EBITDA minus 1500. So this is your EBIT, right? So EBIT is earning before interest and tax. Still your interest is pending. So then if you wanna go like, you can call this as a operating profit as well, because interest is not the part of the operation, right? And tax is not the part of the operation. Interest, you are paying interest because you already got a loan for something for in the business, right? But all these things are the part of the operation. So that's why we say operating profit right here. And no is the interest. You go here, enter, go for the interest. This is interest, and then whatever you get, it's like earning before tax, because we already deduct interest here. So you can see that EBT, the short form. If you wanna write it down, you can write it here, EBT. That's earning before tax, right? So go there, just enter EBIT minus interest. So here you are, 1805,000, right? It's like earning before tax. Then you have to pay tax on it, right? So I just told you how you calculate the tax. Just go there, multiply. Sorry. So we need to write tax here, 30%. Will be easy to calculate, right? So go there, is equal to 1805,000 into 30%. You will get your 5,550, right? So this is your tax now. So on net earning, go to the earning before tax minus tax, you will get 12,950. This is your pure profit. And if you want to go for the profit margin, I told you before, numerator is a profit, denominator always revenue, right? That's it. You doesn't need to multiply 100, because this is already in percentage. So that's a 30% of profit, right? So this is overall like the calculation of EBIT, EBITDA, EBIT, and EBT. You can say that, right? So very simple. It's same like that. Here you just took all the things like in a whole, all the expenses in a whole, in the bunch. But here we are just keeping separate the depreciation, amortization, right? And the interest and other things as well, so that you can calculate EBITDA and EBIT as well. So that's the same formula for everything, right? If you want to do that, you can. Okay, we try to do. Okay, you can take it 1800, 85, 70, 90. Cost of goods sold, it's up to you. 67. And what you want to get? 5,000, right? And here 60,000. So as I told you, or you already put the formula, so you just need to drag, right? And you will get all the information. Just drag, you will get all the information there, right? And the same here, 8,000, 7,000, 5,000, 2,000, 3,500, not 35,000, That's 35, 100, 4500, right? Anything, just 2000. So just, if you wanna go very quick, just select both of these and then just go, right? Okay, no formula is here. Why? Really? Oh, okay, no, you can't, because this is a depreciation. So depreciation, go by 10, 17, 18, um, anything. I'm just giving you the example. You can put your own values. This will be easy for you. If you drag this one, you will get all the details there, right? Interest, you can go like 1500, 1200, 1400, and 1600, right? So it's very easy. You just go and drag all the things. You will get all the things. 30%. This is a calculation. Then definitely it will calculate. No, did I calculate? Okay. Okay, so you can do one thing here, because you need to take 30 is a common for everything, right? 30 is common for here, 30 is common for here, 30 is common for here. Then you have to lock that uh, lock that column, right? So how you do that? Just go there. I think should be F2. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, so that's mean log. There's a dollar sign, there is a dollar sign. So you go like F2, press F2 and click F4, right? So that means we already logged this item. So when we go there, it will calculate with everything, right? When you go there, it show you this item and this percentage. When you click here, you will get here like this amount and this percentage. You'll get here this amount and this percentage, right? Yeah, it's, you didn't get it, then I'm just telling you, if you want to keep this common for everything, you have to lock this column, right? So you have to click like F, like a find key plus F4, right? And maybe you have different combination on your laptop, so you just try what you want, right? So this is how we do, and then after that you just drag this one. I think you just drag this one, and there is a question you can, oh, why you didn't lock here? Because we didn't lock here because we are not using any common percentage for everything. This is not a common percentage. This is just, if you click here, this is just a combination of this and this. If you click here, this is a combination of this and this. If you click here, this is a combination of this and this. Nothing is common. Everything related to their own ears, right? So I hope you learned something and you enjoyed this video very much. So if you like it, just please comment and subscribe and click like, right? uh, in the future, definitely I'm going to make some more videos so that I can explain you in a better way, right? So this is just a basic things, then we go for like advanced financial modeling. Thank you very much. Bye.